Hi, Megan Bengtson with PJ Morgan Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about credit score and why that's so important. Credit is one of the main important reasons for housing affordability. So with the market a little bit crazy right now and interest rates a lot higher, your credit score will make a big impact on what you can afford. So don't think that you have to have a perfect credit score, because you don't. They say a good rating is anywhere from 670 to 739. So that's going to get you a good rate and really kind of set you up for success. But to really get the best rates out there, your great rate or your great range would be 740 on up. So I know everyone doesn't have that, and that's okay. But again, we just want to make sure that we are looking at that at the beginning before we decide to go look at houses. So these are all conversations that we'll have throughout the process to make sure that you're set up for success. We're also going to go ahead and get you teamed up with a great lender that can go ahead and give you the proper advice, tools, things that are needed to make sure that that's happening. So sometimes we'll sit down with them and say that, you may be at a little bit lower credit score than what you wanted to be, but you're right on the cusp of having that good rating. So we may sit there for a little bit and have you work on your credit to ensure that you can get a little bit better rate. Also remember that all lenders aren't one size fits all. So different lenders will have different options and availability for where you're at with your credit score. There's also many different loan types out there that can help you if you have a little bit lower credit score, first-time home buyer, whatever it is. There's lots of options out there for you to take a look at. So again, remember that credit's not the end-all, be-all reason that you are going to get qualified. They're also going to be taking a look at your payment history, your debt to income ratio, and credit applications. Why that's extremely important is they just want to see what type of debt you have out there and if you're able to actually afford the debt for the home as well. So again, another important factor for you to remember as we were going through the home buying process, it's important for you once the lender has you pre-approved and has all of your line of credit accounted for, it's important for you as we go through this process to not open up new lines of credit. The lender already has all of your payment and credit information, so it's important for you just to not change that at all and until we get to closing. So bottom line is that credit does make a big difference, and it does help with your affordability for a home. So if you're looking to get into a house, I'd love to be able to talk with you. Please feel free to reach out. If you have any other questions, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.